Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Haya Harris. And today I'm here on a windy day. I posted a live which was called a windy day, but because of some recovery and internet problems, it got off and it's post. So I'm really sorry if you are getting disturbed of that. I'm so sorry, guys. Never mind that. I love you guys. I vlog for you guys. I have told you I would vlog like 2 weeks, 2 days a week, but I'm so sorry that I couldn't vlog because I was so busy, and I'm so sorry, guys. I wanted to vlog, but I wasn't able to vlog. But finally, I have came. So today I have put in my back camera, and cause I look bad. No, I don't look bad, but I look like good. But I thought, why don't I show you guys like the Abu Dhabi city here, and explain to you guys the cars here and what kind of cars. So if you're first time watching this and you're not from anywhere from here, you can understand how is the weather and everything. I will be reporting it today and this time now. So I once again I'm telling you sorry, guys, because of the vlog I put that live, and it just recovered. It just go because of the internet problems, but still don't mind that, guys. Always enjoy my vlogs, that's what I mean. So I think I will start off with cars. There's many cars here. So let's start off with cars now. I'm gonna start from this car to the white car. So this one, it's dirty. It's so dirty, but it's fine, I think. So this one is the, oh my god, somebody has drawn a heart here. Oh my god, okay. So this one is the RAV4 V6, and this is the look. RAV4 V6. And I will show you the back of the car. It has like it's not normal, but it's like, it has like a round thing here. Here, RAV4. This one, Toyota. Okay, going on to the next car. These are the doors. So going on to the next cars. This is the next car called Altima 25 SV. And it's Nissan. This is a four-seater, as well as that is a four-seater, and this is a four-seater. And this is cool, and it's clean because we clean it. And this is how the front looks. We park it to the front, so that's how the front looks. Oh my god, it's the front look. Okay, so this is a view of this car. Now going to the third car. Yeah, third car. The third car is Mercedes-Benz A250, and this is the super car. It's so fast. It's a racer car, and oh my god, no words to say about it. So like, this is a car, the Benz logo, dun, 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 dun. And then I'll show you the front look of this. And this car is not like huge, but it's small, and it's a standard stuff. Standard size. This is the front, because you guys maybe understand here. So that's the bonnet, and as well as this is a four-seater. On to my fourth car. So this is the fourth car, and this is Subaru WRX. As well, this is a racer car. I think. Yeah, that's a racer car. Yeah, Subaru is a racer car, and this is the logo. So that's the logo, and then you can just see like just walking around. Zubara's friend looks like this. It's like a good car. I like this car. So this is as well. This is a four-seater. It's good seat. Okay, on to the next and final and the prettiest car. This is the Nissan Patrol V8. Oh my god, it's not clear, guys. Wait. This is a Nissan Patrol V8 Platinum, and here is MashaAllah. So I'm gonna show you a tour. So this is 8-seater. Here V8, V8, Nissan Patrol V8. Here it's like has this bonnet thing here, which is so cool, guys. You have to touch it. This one's clean, so that's why. And then this is how the front looks. See? It's a big, so I cannot show you all, but still. And there's like a big Nissan logo on the front, and there is, I think, this both sides, yeah. And then this is a special thing. Like there's a button here, When you press this button, even though you don't have a key, it opens. So that's cool, something cool. And that's the and then we have a Sheikh Zayed picture over here, and then a platinum. And we put like a other sticker right here. It never gold, but it was gold. Now it's turned into silver. So I'm so glad to show you guys. But the cars. I'm gonna go back to the third car, fourth car, and fifth car. These are all parked in the car porch. We also have more cars over there. By the way, that's the Nissan red one. And then we have more cars. Now I'm gonna explain to you houses. Like if you're new here, you should know about houses. And by the way, it's so cold. Like I cannot express it. Like it's super cold. Like oh my god, I need a jacket. I didn't wear a jacket, guys. Oh my god. See somebody walking. Hi. Somebody's running. Somebody's running. Oh my god, I'm just talking to somebody. I don't know. Okay, anyway. Um walking to what was going to okay, villas. Okay. So this area is all villas. We have like three same villas. 1, 2, 3, and then we have the same like this in the back. 3. So it's like 6 villas the same. And then we have a huge villa over there. I'm gonna just zoom it for you guys. Huge villa over there. And then we have another huge one. This is like okay, that's a huge one. And then right on back of me, there's like a enormous one, like so big, so big. Oh my god, I don't know how many rooms are there, but it's so big. And then there's also more houses over here. By the way, that house you're seeing, the yellow house, that yellow house has a pool and it's cool. Wow. And there's more houses. So like every house, some people they have car porches, just like you see here. They have car porches. Some people they have grasses and trees. Us not like this. In our house we have car porches and we have trees and everything. So that's something cool. And what else I'm gonna tell you? And the weather today is so cold. I think it's almost 18 or 20, only like that because it's so cold. You can see the sky. It's like gonna sunset. So like it's so cold. Like I'm wearing a shawl because like I need to warm up. Oh my god, there's a huge storm there. You know, guys, sometimes I come here, like beach, and then like search for things, and then It's nice. Oh my god, it's so cold, guys. You guys don't know how cold I am. I'm like freezing. Oh my god, I'm freezing. I'm putting on my shawl on. Just wait for a couple. Oh my god, guys, Adhan. This is the Adhan of Abu Dhabi. It's time for Adhan. I think, yeah, it, yeah, it's almost 6 o'clock. 5 minutes for 6. So, well, Allah say when Adhan come, we have to be quiet. So I'll be quiet for a couple of sec until it finishes. The Adhan is on, so guys, I will be quiet for some time. So don't mind that, please, guys. I will be quiet for some time, please don't mind it. But I will show you the places here. But I will not talk because the Adhan is on. That's why I'm talking in a quiet voice. So please forgive me until the Adhan stops. So it will take a few seconds more. I think you can hear the Adhan. Oh my god, here's that man. Okay, Adhan is done, and say hi one more time. He's running many rounds. Oh my god. So Adhan is done, guys. So that's the Adhan. Adhan means the prayer to God. So we have to listen to it, and we should not talk. So that's why few minutes, few seconds, I was not talking. So now I'm able to talk, and let's explore. Explore. So now I'm walking to that house because I want to show you guys that house. Then I'm going to show you my house. So this is the Toyota. This is the house, guys. I told you. It's so big inside. Because can I even think about it? It's not the same to our house. It's quite different here. So this, we have two of these. This is that talks. Let's go read it. What's going on? This is the recyclable one, and this is the general waste. Oh my god, guys, there's somebody on the van coming to our house. See that van over there. I don't know, because our AC has a problem. That's why, maybe. I don't know. But I'm so happy to make a vlog that viewing you the whole Abu Dhabi. If you want, I will walk to a place to show you guys a cool place here, which I love. At first, I thought, oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, super cold, guys. It's here today. Oh my god. Sorry for the shaky because I'm putting on my shell. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god. Why am I so excited? Oh my god. Okay, this is the exciting part. See guys, this one here is the bachelor's.